What an encouragement. No. This you need to encourage because he people try to do body shaming, but he never is bothered about it, and he did his best. So that is confidence. That's why I am appreciating him. It's not about he was not knowing to dance, but still how much ever negative this thing came, he danced with confidence, which we should admire from him. So that's a big round of applause for Ashit. Very good Ashit. Okay. So we will be playing one more game. So this game is called as chip stealing. So a pack of chips will be given to boys and girls simultaneously. So the game is that who will finish off the chips fast and without spilling it. So suppose anybody spills your single chips, they are out. The opponent person is considered to be winner. Understood na? You have to eat fast. Who finishes first is winner and without spilling. So from boys I will call upon Ashit. And from girls, Aradhya. Come on. Okay, please do. 1, start.
Ashit.
Stop. I want someone, ma'am, please come. You would get. Who has eaten more? So because if I say, they will think I am biased. So this is what Archit has eaten. And this is Aradhya has what she has eaten. So you tell who's winner. Okay, still one more minute, can we keep time?
Yes,
okay, still one more minute is given time to finish, who will finish first? This is just wait 1 second, I'll tell the time. 3, 2, 1, start!
Sắp là đấy anh chưa?
Okay, so Ashit is winner. Okay, good. Ashit has won the game against Aradhya. Now second I call upon, now elders will call someone. I will call Santosh from boys. From girls, whom shall we call? Ishalakshi. Okay. 2, 1, start! your mouth should get empty. Who's getting empty? There will be concerned.
Nikhil! 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 Nikhil!
Spilled from your mouth. It came. Where? Not now I'm doing. That time he also fell there. Okay. Since it is fell from his mouth, okay. So Teechna has been a girls won one game. Okay, now there has been a tie. Now Teechna won the second game, and boys from boys Harshit won one game. So now for the third game we have to see who's going to participate. Now who has to participate? Tejas. I call upon Tejas and anyone? Shambhavi. Three, two, one, stop. So, out is Shambhavi. Boys won. Right, because of that, Shambhavi got eliminated because he spilled one of the things. As I told you, the first condition is that you need to eat full and you are not supposed to spill even a single chip. So, by doing that, you will be eliminated and the opponent will be considered as winner. So, Shambhavi spilled one of the chips, so she got eliminated. So, Tejas has won the game and the boys are in leading. Boys won 2 games and girls have won.
Sir, 3. Even he. Actually, 3.
Okay, 3. Okay, boys have won 3. So this game is considered as boys has won the game. So now leading is boys. Boys has won 2 games. Girls has won 1 game. So now just for a fun moment, now Gandhar and Spandu will be participating in eating chips. Okay, just for fun.
सुन सक
Kandu, Gandhar, Kandu, Gandhar, Kandu, Gandhar, Kandu, Gandhar, Kandu, Gandhar, Kandu, Gandhar, Kandu, Gandhar. Okay, time up. So considering both of them, okay, considering both are equal and both are winners. Enjoying all of you.
Yes, sir.
How much you are enjoying? Make some noise. Tell that how much you are enjoying that.
So much.
Make some noise, man. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll be playing. There are a lot of games to play. Anyone wants to perform any dance? Anyone here? Oh, you. Okay, very nice. You are multitasking. What? For which song you want to perform? What's your name? Okay. Haripriya is going to perform a Bharatanatyam dance for the song Guru Vina Guru Vishnu. Okay. Please give a big round of applause for her for performing the song.
Guru Vina Gulamana Bhuvatanaga Doraya Dandamukuti. Guru Vina Gulamana Bhuvatanaga Doraya Dandamukuti. Pari Pari Shastrava Nodidarenu Yadhakaitu Bhakuti. Pari Pari Shastrava Nodidarenu Yadhakaitu Bhakuti. Guru Vina Gulamana Bhuvatanaga Doraya Dandamukuti.
witness such a thing, that too in live. We would have seen in TV only, but we need to thank her for coming and giving such a wonderful performance and making the day such a wonderful event. So please give one more big round of applause for her. Your good name, please? Your good name?
Haripriya.
Haripriya. For how long you have been learning this?
6 years.
Wow, great. That's a wonderful performance. Please give another big round. That was a wonderful performance. So next, so now we will be going to play another game. So how many of you know chess here? You know chess, sir? Okay, girls, one, two, only two of them know chess. Three of them know chess. From boys, three of them. Okay. So it will be 3 versus 3. So okay, it will be 3 versus 3 game. So now the game duration will be hardly for a minute. And how many coins you can beat in a minute? Okay, in a minute, or we can make it up to 5 minutes also. 5 minutes will be too long, I think. We'll see. For soldiers, if you take, it's 1 point, and behind any of the coins, elephants or horse or camel, anything you score, you win 5 points for them. So last at the end of 2 minutes, who scores how many points will be considered as winner. Understood now, all of you? Any doubt in this? No doubt, no? Okay. First, I would like to call upon. It will be Shambhavi versus Gandhar. Chess game, first game. One, start. Hey, yeah. Shoulder or straight
Back position.
Shambhavi, shoulder back. ಆಡು ನೀನು ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಮುಡಿಯೋದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದಿಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಾಸಲ್ಲಿ
ನೀ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀ 1 minute or last 1 minute ಆಡ್ ನೀ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಹೊಡಿಲಿಲ್ಲ
ಹೊಡಿಯೋದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಣಿ 15 seconds. Five,
4, 3, 2, 1.
go, finish. So, Gandhar has won the game. He has hit 2 soldiers, so decided as Gandhar as the winner. Okay. So now from next girls, you come. And from boys who wanted to play, there is a you come, Nikki. Come. Next. 1 minute over. The first coin has been hit.
Elephant goes right.
That is camel.
from this.
Last 20 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one. Done. So she won. Good. So girls won. So now it's level. Boys won 1 game. Girls won 1 game. Now third Teeshna. So this will be the deciding factor who's gonna win this game. 1. Start. Need a few shot. 1 minute over, last 1 minute. Hey, anga single தான் போவோம், double போகாது.
முடிஞ்சு.
அங்க single தான். First step தான் double போவோம். Last 15 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Finish. Okay, boys won the game. Anyone want to represent from girls? Anyone willing to participate? Now boys are taking 2 lead.
Do record. Record, man. Don't teach. No, I'm not.
She could easily hit from the camel for that. Should have easily hit from that camel to that soldier.
Camel, one more soldier can attack.
No, oh yeah, that is also true.
Mom, she played. Mom, she played. She played first.
Hey, wait. 1 more minute. One game and dance.
Last 1 minute.
45 seconds.
Check.
30 seconds.
which baby can make but it cannot see? Which baby can make but it cannot see? Options.
Repeat the question again.
Which baby can do but it cannot see that? Can I tell the answer? Noise. Noise. How?
Okay, I can hear.
Baby can make noise but it cannot see, no? There is somebody's house which it can fly. Which house is that?
Horsefly.
First boy. Which comes once in a year and twice in February.
Leap year.
Huh?
No, say again once.
Once in a year and twice in February. Once in year and twice in February. The letter R. Once in year. Last R and in February 2 times R will come.
Oh.
Where is T in water? Middle. In the middle. How? H O C. In C. E L. In the middle. C. H O E L. Okay. Which has 5 fingers but cannot be alive. Which has 5 fingers but it's dead. It cannot work. Toy.
Table.
Table has 4.
Sorry.
Glove. Huh? Glove has 5 fingers only, no? Okay. Sorry. Now what happened? How to put elephant in the fridge? What?
Question take again, please.
I'm going to repeat the question. How to put the elephant in the fridge? 3 steps. Elephant in fridge in 3 steps. Open the door of the fridge, dump the elephant inside it, close the door.
Correct, ah?
Correct. A man who put green dress, green cooler, and green shoes, and green nail polish. And she went to her friend. The door was green, and she knocked the door. Why?
Because there is no calling bell.
Correct. 2-4. To the 4 here. Every animal went to a formation, but elephant didn't went. Why? Because it is in a fridge. Raise the hand. It was in the fridge. It was in the fridge.
Okay.
Five.
Guys, so how are you enjoying? How far it is going on now? Everyone are enjoying it?
Yes.
So boys are reading how much? Boys are reading how much?
Sir,
4, I think.
3.
I think boys are in 4 and girls are in 1. 2, huh? Okay, girls are in 2. Okay. So now next there will be a dance performance from Shambhavi for the song Kavalaya. Okay.
I
Wonderful performance from Shambhavi. Okay, now next. Okay, now boys are taking lead in the game, so girls have to retaliate now. So now the next game will be. This is a fun game. So the game is named as making laws by singing. Thing is that girls there will be 5 chairs. Boys will be sitting here. Behind girls will have some water. Half glass of water will be there in the mouth. So I will play a song. Boys have to imitate that song. I will start. First person have to sing. Again I pause. Then again when I start, the second person has to continue from the song. Like that. So girls shouldn't laugh. Suppose they laugh means then girls are out. Boys 1 more point. Again vice versa. So girls will sit down and start to sing. Boys will stand behind. They'll have water and I play the song same way. So whoever spills the water, they are out and the opponent wins. Okay. I would like to call upon 5 bodies, sir. There are only 5 bodies only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And girls who are the 5 of them are willing to participate. Tikshna, Shambhavi, Haripriya, Kadambari, Isara. Okay.
டான்ஸ் மூமெண்ட் பிராக்டிஸ் பண்ணா கூட டோட்டலா அந்த நம்ம அந்த உடம்புல வந்து பாருங்களேன் அப்படியே ஒரு இதுல அந்த இதுல கூட அப்படியே ஒரு மியூசிக் கேட்டா கூட அந்த இன்னைக்கு இருந்தாலும் அது வெஸ்டர்னா இருந்தாலும் எந்த மியூசிக் இருந்தாலும் நம்ம ஒரு அப்படின்னா இதே பேக் கேட்டு வெஸ்டர்ன் அந்த ஃபீல் அப்படியே மனிதனுக்கு வேணும் சார். சார்
Shambhavi. Now start. Start bega. Hey, don't come here. You are not. Come stand. Came also. Count it. You come stand back again. She didn't start.
Go back, my Nikhil.
Okay, sit down.
ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಿನ್ನ.
So in this game, now what we played, that is spill the song.
Spill the water.
Spill the water. Girls won because 2-3 girls had they were holding it without laughing. So girls are considered to be won this game. Okay. So now, how was the day? I believe everyone enjoyed today.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Happy New Year again to all of you.
Thank you, sir. Happy New Year, sir.
Due to time constraint, we couldn't play some more games because we started too late and more time is up, so we have to wind up. So thanks for your cooperation and everyone did a great job, especially your Haripriya had played a wonderful dance. That was amazing, and all of you did a very good participation. The event becomes success only when you participate actively. So all of you participated very actively and made it a wonderful event as all the years. So thank you and Happy New Year to all of you. Please proceed.
Happy New Year, sir.
Happy New Year. So we'll end up by last dance performance by Gandhar is going to dance for last song. So we'll finish up after that and we'll have a cake cutting. Then followed by live shooting.
ரொம்ப நாளா மெயின்டைன் பண்ணல அதனால
வெரி குட்